Brody. Hi, little bear. Hi, Brody bear. Who's such a good little boy? Are you talking? Can you talk to mommy? Brody, talk to mommy. Who's such a good little boy? Can you give me some smiles so we can send them to Michelle? Give me some smiles so we can send them to Michelle. Give me some smiles so we can send them to Auntie Michelle. Brody. Oh, you're too busy looking at the mobile right there. Oh, there's a little bit of some. You can give me some more than that. Give me some more smiles. Give me some more smiles, little bear. Come on. You give mommy some smiles. Give mommy some smiles. You thinking about it? You kind of seem like you might start like crying soon. Okay, we tried. Say bye, Auntie Michelle. We tried to give you some smiles.